problem that's in your lab, pre-lab assignment number 6. What they're asking for is to determine the percent yield of copper nitrate given an actual amount that you obtained, I think it was 3.35 grams, and given an amount of copper that you know you start with and in this reaction. I want to start there. And I also want to remember, in these types of problems, you want to make sure you always have a accurate, balanced reaction. Everything hangs off of this. It is the microscopic view of the reaction. This is the macro. So if we have macro connecting with micro, you know we have to go to moles. So that's the first thing we're going to do with this 2.25 grams of copper. We're going to change our discussion of that in terms of moles. So we're going to divide 2.25 grams by the molar mass of copper, and we get, if we do that, we're going to get 0.0354 moles of copper. Now I'm not using units here, but what you'll do to go down to moles is always divide by molar mass, the weight that you have of some reagent. Always divide by the molar mass. This is, without the units, this is just moles now of Cu, copper. You say, well, we're not done. Well, we're one step closer. Now we have to take a step from reagent over to the product side. To do that, it's all about the coefficients. It's all about the coefficients in your balanced reaction. Let me say it this way. One copper atom can be used to make one copper nitrate compound. One copper atom, one copper in this compound. So it's a one-to-one relationship. This helps students if we put what is the implied coefficient in front, 1 and 1. Always divide by the coefficient you're leaving. So 1 mole of Cu we're leaving as this is mole of Cu. That cancels. Divide by that coefficient where you're leaving and multiply by the coefficient you're going to. So 1 mole of Cu in O3, or copper nitrate. That gets us to, just keeping the number because it's 1-to-1, 0.0354 moles now of Cu, and I'll just go ahead and put the units there. So, copper nitrate. Okay, this is mole level. You got down to it by dividing by molar mass. To go up, can you guess what you have to do to go up? Multiply by the molar mass. This value times 187.56 gets us the mass of copper nitrate, theoretically, that we could make from 2.25 grams of copper. So that number is going to be, if you do the math, this times this, go up, is 6.641 grams. And I'll come back to just 3 sig figs here in a little bit. That's the theoretical yield. It's not our final answer, but now what we can do is take what they gave us as the amount actually made, 3.35 grams, divide it by 6.641 grams, which is the theoretical, actual divided by theoretical, times 100, gives us our final percent yield. If you do that math, making sure to keep your 3 sig figs, you get a 50.4% yield. You're done.